Hey there, my name is Harris Kenny, and I'm excited to re-announce OutboundSync's integration between Smartlead and HubSpot and Salesforce. And the reason why I say re-announce is that we never really formally announced this as a standalone integration in the first place. Over 2 years ago, I started building a product that would get data from your outbound tools into HubSpot. But the only sequencer that we supported was Smartlead, because I was using Smartlead at the time when I was running my agency. Well, it's been a couple years. Smartlead has come a long way, and so has our product. I'm excited to reintroduce you to how it works. We've added Salesforce, we've added a lot more features, and so I just want to walk you through all of that over the next couple minutes. First, let's start with what it does. OutboundSync takes a few critical pieces of information and it allows you to use that data from your outbound campaigns inside of your CRM. So, for example, let's say you're in the Smartlead inbox and you're running a campaign and you're getting replies back. There's a lot happening here on the screen. We're sending emails, we're generating replies, and then those replies are being categorized as interested. We want to take that data and we want to push it into HubSpot, where we can use workflow automation to update properties, create follow-up tasks, and basically retain the long-term record of what happened. If we keep track of every sent email, we can also do things like rebuild Smartlead's reporting, get revenue attribution for leads that convert through other channels, and even support omni-channel workflows like calling or LinkedIn. In order to do this, what we need to do is we need to create a webhook in Smartlead. We're also going to take Smartlead's API key, and with those two things, we have everything we need to connect to OutboundSync. With HubSpot on the other side, or Salesforce, we'll be able to sync that data bidirectionally between the systems and even take advantage of dynamic block lists where new deals or opportunities and new customers can be dynamically blocked and prevented from receiving cold outreach via Smartlead in the first place. Just to show you what it looks like inside of HubSpot, we have an example contact record. Now, OutboundSync is using both email activities and timeline events to log these two contacts inside of HubSpot. We're also associating those activities up to the company level, and we're writing to a set of custom contact properties that can be used inside of workflows and reports and lists and other things. We even pre-package these things for you so that you can hit the ground running, get those dashboards, and get those workflows in place. Lastly, let's talk about Salesforce. So if you're a Smartlead Salesforce user across both platforms, we're here for you. You can take that data in Smartlead and you can push it to Salesforce in quite a few different ways. OutboundSync supports the lead object, or writing to accounts and contacts. We can log those activities using the task object with a configurable subject line, or you can use the email message object. We also again support block lists, so you can go from a report in Salesforce up to the block list in Smartlead. In addition to all of this, we've invested a ton in our own infrastructure and our own process. OutboundSync is officially SOC 2 Type 2 certified. We're helping hundreds of teams sync tens of millions of records, and we would love to help you integrate your outbound motion with your CRM and system of record. Reach out today by going to outboundsync.com to learn more and book a demo. Thanks so much.